Every once in a while, you may need to delete a label that you've created, and this is simple to do in the Ordoro app. Whether you created the label by accident or if you created a label for an order that got canceled before the package went out, you might just need to delete that label. When you do an Ordoro, it's going to automatically request a refund if it's required by the shipper, and it will move the order back to the awaiting fulfillment filter. So this tutorial is just going to demonstrate how to delete a label. To get started, we'll go to the Orders tab and obviously go to the Ship tab where the labels are. I'm going to look at my newest shipments. And then let's say there is an order that I would like to delete the label for. Let's say it says top one here. What I'll do is expand the order, and you'll see this delete option right here. So when you click delete, it's going to confirm that you want to delete this label, and you'll click yes, and that's all you got to do. It's going to request it. So that order was a FedEx order. FedEx doesn't actually charge you until the label's scanned, so there's no worries about requesting a refund or anything like that. Same with UPS. However, if you're creating a USPS label, they charge you once you create the label, so a refund does need to be requested, but don't worry about that. As long as you use this delete label option, Ordoro is going to automatically request that refund and it'll credit back to you. So you don't have to worry about doing any of that. One thing you might want to do is that tracking number does get automatically written back to the sales channel when you create the label in Ordoro. So you just might want to go to the sales channel and notify the customer, hey, this tracking number is inaccurate or whatever. We're not shipping it out. Be on the lookout for a new one, whatever. If you have any questions about that, though, just reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.